everyone, I hope you found this example with using Write pretty useful, and understanding the general, framework of using some external apps, but still getting access to the original sort of GPT-3 or GPT 3.5 or 4 model. Similar example here, we'll go through this quickly so that at least you can, explore some other options that you can be using to generate copy for your website, emails, ads, blog posts, or anything you really need, right? This is another one, similar, running on GPT-3. I think you're using also GPT 3.5. So this is called Copy.ai, right? So very similar sort of idea, I guess. Let's dive into this straight away. On the left here, as you can see, you have sort of this chat function. To be honest, it even literally looks exactly the same like GPT 3.5 or GPT-4. And even sort of their whole user experience is quite different. And I don't know, like for me personally, Write is the preferred option because probably intuitively, I just like clicking on all of these templates and then you just go ahead. Here, it's a bit different. For example, once again, seeing this similar chat, similar to GPT original app, and they have this function called, browse prompts. So literally within the chat, you can kind of like browse prompts. And let's say, I'm using Copy.ai to generate my post. So as you can see here, what it does is, okay, I'm going to use this prompt template. So I'm going to keep it, added to the chat. And then you enter all of the information here, right? So it's kind of like you're trying to achieve the same thing like, we did with Write, but the whole interface is a bit different. So as you can see here, there's, an info base and brand voice. You can add, how do you want your copy to sound, fun and engaging, simple, sophisticated, all of those kind of like details. But that's essentially, one of the other alternatives that you can be using. So honestly, if you prefer something like a lot more closer to how the original GPT app looks, you might even consider Copy.ai, right? Because as I was showing here, the logic is a bit different. You use sort of a pre-built template essentially. So we have, as you can see, if I'm clicking, for example, let me do Instagram captions, right? They kind of like have this pre-built prompt, write 5 variations of Instagram captions of full product, user-friendly, human-like language that appeals to target audience, and all of the other details. And of course, like you can be building on top of this prompt. Yeah, so feel free, to use Copy.ai or Write or the original app. But once again, I hope this is another alternative you could explore in case Write doesn't work for you. So keep exploring, keep testing, and I'll see you in the next video.